1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God. 5.
Why are you huffing and puffing like that? That's so easy to lift.
I didn't think you can do it. Ha ha, you're weak. Whoa, impressive. Ah! Oh my gosh!
Sorry, Link, but I'm on my coffee break. I can't help you.
But you're the policeman. Ah!
I'm on my coffee break.
Ah! Oh my god! That was my camera!
I think we broke the laptop.
Oh no! You broke it?
Way to break the fourth wall, idiot.
Wait! Don't!
I am your friend! I am your friend!
You are a 35-year-old man. You're not my friend?
Age doesn't matter. I'm just a baby.
You have a mustache?
I have a mustache?
Ha 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 ha. Ah!
Sorry I hit you. I just thought you said I had a mustache.
Oh my gosh, that hurt. Oh. Wait, there's something wrong with my face.
Do you know where Robin is?
Ramen?
Robin?
There's something wrong with my face. No, I don't know where Robin is.
What about Beast Boy?
Wait, hold on. You try lifting the... What's that, medallion?
Yeah.
Is it magic?
Yeah.
How magic?
Pretty magic.
Okay, well, try lifting this weight right here. See if you can. Telekinesis, eh? Ah! Actually, I've got immune to that because I've got hit before, so it won't hurt.
Very impressive.
You never laugh at anything. You don't laugh.
Well, do you know where, like, Cyborg is?
Cyborg? Who is that?
You don't know? Okay. Well...
Oh, I know who you are. You're part of the Teen Titans.
I need a new team. You are part of my new team.
Okay. Should I sign anything, or should I just sit down?
You sit down.
Okay, I'll sit over here. I
have another teammate.
I'll sit way over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
What are you?
People are weird in this town. Oh, you have muscles. Muscles.
No.
You don't have muscles.
Wait, I was just walking. Hello. Hi,
Hello.
Tails. Have you seen, Link anywhere?
Yeah.
That's not him.
You're
Toon Link. You know?
I am not
the
appreciated.
Cartoonish, overrated.
I am not appreciated.
Okay, fine, you'll do... Bye! Well, I guess I'll just sit here. Is that what I think it is? It's back! Here, gimme! It's back. The ocarina! What?
Stop doing that or you'll break the laptop.
But I like it. I like breaking it.
Wait, no! Wait, look.
Are you bald? I thought this was just a shadow. But it's your head.
My mother thought it was a cat.
That hurt?
No.
Ha ha ha, take that, Knuckles. Now, tilt myself to this beauty.
Ah! It's mine!
here.
What? We've been doing this for 5 minutes.
Yeah?
It's just a warning.
Okay.
You can edit this out.
I don't know how.
Okay.
I'm just a shadow.
Okay. What were you gonna do with this?
I was gonna play it. I mean, that's what it's for, right?
No.
But I never get to use it. Never, never. Come on. Just let me use it, please. Please, thank you.
You're just whistling.
Wait, let me try this. What if you press the buttons?
It does stuff.
I'm pressing the buttons. It doesn't do anything. I need a drink. Do you have any water, Mr. Sleep Ray Man? Is that thing loaded? Does it have darts in it?
Yes. Now give me a bottle of water.
Okay. Maybe a few. Ow!
Oh my God, Shadow! No!
Help me!
Not even Lank can save you. Wait.
Huh?
What if we come up with names so we don't get sued? How about I'm Todd, you're Lank, and
I'm
he's
Lank.
Bales,
He's Bales.
and he's
Morrow.
Tiny Morrow, and this is Sonus, Tiny Sonus.
Sonus.
This is other Lank.
Slightly smaller Lank. And
This
this is
Baven.
Baven.
This is Loshi.
Lotion. Yoshi.
This is Zingle.
Zingle. Haha. My face, I missed. Oh. What? Creep.
This is Bombi.
Bombi. It's a bomb!
Ah!
My eye!
Ah!
Are you okay? Hello?
Little did
here's
Link
the
know
thing.
everyone was dead.
Wait,
He's
they
the
are
only
dead?
one.
Where's that voice coming from?
I'm your
What
concussion.
was that? Oh no, it's
speaking.
another button thing.
But then
Yes, I finally got the ocarina.
the thing you wanted was hanging above you. It was the med.
Give me it. Slip it through my ring, my hand. Just come on, use that there. Oh, it's lovely. I
But
love it.
then it got his
Wait.
earring all
What?
weird, and it turned black.
It sounded like an explosion went off, but I'm okay.